Hello viewers, with the recent rollout of Windows 11 version 25 H2. As I mentioned a few days ago, Fly OBE received an update to support the new version. I will link that earlier video version 1.23 for you if you want more detail and to connect the dots. Fly OBE 1.25 has been released, which is the latest stable version with further improvements for Windows 11 25 H2. Here a quick overview of what's new in the Windows 11 Bypass System Requirements app. First, the developer says Fly OBE has been further optimized for Windows 11 25 H2 with extended deployed routines targeting AI components, bundled apps, and overall user experience. Another key point is in navigation. It now starts with lightweight Windows 10 style flow focused on upgrades or reinstall. On switch to Windows 11, the full OBE navigation become available. They have also made general UI improvements, enhanced color harmony across all panels, and added a collapsible navigation panel. The main panel can now go full screen using the toggle button next to the more menu, which is a nice addition. The notification area has also been refined for better clarity and consistency. Core PowerShell extensions have been optimized for faster and cleaner execution. Lastly, a new feature has been added called the Windows Update Tamer. Found under extension, this tool allows you to manage Windows 11 updates directly from Fly OBE, including pausing or resuming updates, disabling automatic updates, setting extended pause period up to 10 years, and restoring default behavior. It's a great addition that improves control and flexibility. So that's what's new in the Fly OBE version 1.25, the latest release. The app is becoming quite popular, which is why I am covering it here to keep you updated, especially with the rollout of Windows 11 25 H2. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.